also facing hair fall and tired of your dry and dead hair? Hydrate your scalp and condition your hair with Calix Herbal Ayurvedic Hair Spa Treatment. It contains extra rich Calix Herbal Hair Conditioner having aloe vera and lemon juice in henna extract. It is applied on hair and scalp in combination of Calix Herbal Hair Growth Oil, which is herbal extract of amla, bhringraj, java kusum blended together with almond oil, sesame oil and peanut oil. Simply blend 1 capsule of hair growth oil with a generous amount of hair conditioner. Apply on the shampooed and towel-dried hair. Distribute evenly and massage thoroughly into hair and scalp for 20 minutes. Comb and leave for 10 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. So get home this new product to have the perfectly healthy and nourished hair. It prevents hair fall, improves hair growth, nourishes dull and dry hair, makes hair smooth and shiny.